everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to log out of your Frollo application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Go ahead and tap open the Frollo application. Once you're inside the main homepage of Frollo, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. Inside the app settings under the settings menu, tap on Logout. But remember that you must know your credentials, that is your username and password, to log back into the account. So make sure you have a hold of your password and email. If you're sure you'd like to log out, tap on Yes, Log Out in the pop-up, and you have now successfully logged out of Frollo application. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.